inducted to the Lions family. We share the joy and happiness we feel inside and are looking forward to serving with all of you. On behalf of my fellow Lions, I would like to welcome you. At this point, I would like to invite Mr. Mark Rock of Lions Club, Lion Mark Rock of Lions Club, International District 2S2. He is the Global Service Team Coordinator and one of the 2 guiding lions of the Houston Pakistani American Lions Club. Please give a big round for Mark Rock.
Thank you. Yes, the most dangerous place is between me and the microphone. Absolutely. So thank you. Welcome, you guys. It's wonderful to be here. The birth of a new Lions Club. There's just nothing that's quite as exciting as giving life to a new club, and that's why we're here. The service, the achievement, the accomplishments that all of you Lions are going to do for your community here and wherever you choose to serve is amazing. And we're grateful to be your district, and we're grateful to be supportive of you. So we will start with our national anthem. We have our DJ is queued up to lead first with the national anthem of the United States. Beautiful. And now we have the national anthem for the nation of Pakistan. Beautiful. We'll have an opening prayer by Layla Rajan.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن
What a fantastic induction ceremony, TID, sorry. Fantastic, TJ. I've been really excited with the development of this club. Appreciate Emmy and Mark as being the guiding lions for it. Sarah for putting the club together. You're doing a fantastic job. You know, when they were inducted, when they were approved for membership, they had 20 members. They've grown now to 32, so that's fantastic. Their club now joins 50,000 Lions clubs in the world. They're joining 10,000 clubs in the U.S. and in the state of Texas, nearly 750 Lions clubs. And even better, in our District 2S2, they are now our 53rd Lions club. So the official document that approves their formation of their club under the International Association of Lions Clubs. It is the charter. Their official charter date is June 17th, 2024, excuse me. The charter is approved by Dr. Patty Hill, who was our international president at that time. And it's your club's seal of association. So can we unveil it? This is an official document. And all clubs have their charter. It's to be co-signed at the bottom here, and it's going to be kind of tight space, but you need all your charter members to sign the document and have that as a keepsake. If I did my math correctly, any Lion joining your club by September 15th is still considered a charter member. So,
Gotcha. I just have one person who just wants to get a
all right. So please keep this document safe, secure, and preserve it. We have a Lions Club in District 2S2. It's a Houston Founders Club, and they actually have their charter that was signed back in April 1917. It's over 104 years old, so always keep your document and your charter. All right, congratulations.
Now we're at the presentation of awards and gifts. For the club banner, it'll be presented by Lion Grace Burgos. She was president last term of the Houston Royal Oak Lions Club. And the current president, Lion Nissan Imara, president of the Houston Royal Oaks Lions Club.
And welcome. It's an honor to be a president for Houston Pakistani American Lions Club. Like I said, whenever there's a need, there's a line. So we will, inshallah, try to do our best, whatever we can do. And one person I want to invite is going to be our Deputy Mr. Commissioner. Thank you so much. Please give him a huge round of applause. I want everybody to please stand up and give him a warm welcome.
Made it together. So from my office, Mr. Precinct 3, Andy Myers, Whereas Fort Bend County takes immense pride in recognizing and celebrating the diverse cultures and histories that contribute to our vibrant.
Okay, I'll put it.
Woohoo! Give them a big round of applause, everybody. Thank you so much.
He is one of the top 3 in the world. He's an MMA fighter. He is 5-0 in karate combat. So it's a huge honor for me to invite Mr. Shahzebrin. Everybody please get up on your feet. Please clap for him, Mr. Shahzebrin. Music please.
Thunderous round of applause for Mr. Shahzebrin. All right, Mr. Shahzeb, would you like to say a few words to our audience right here? They're all super excited to see you.
A lot of support from here, so it feels very good, and thank you so much for supporting me. Inshallah, right now I'm top 3 in the world, but my next fight is for world title. So inshallah, we will be world champion in martial arts. So I need everyone's support. Please pray for me. My next fight is very tough fight. It's gonna be for world title, and history is going to be made. And I need everyone's support. And thank you, Sahar and Lions Club, for inviting me and meeting all of you guys. Thank you so much.
We're gonna do an auction until September. Whoever is the highest bidder, whatever donations we collect is gonna go for Shahzeb's international fight.
So inshallah, we will get the world title, and this is my gloves. I use them for my first fight. So these are like for my fight. So the
I'm gonna ask him to sign. We can play the little bit of music in the background to say the most popular pose. Shahzeb King Khan for you guys. World champion, inshallah. World champion. So now you know this is legit. You know, whatever. This is Shahzeb original. I promise you. Who's signing these? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. We can play the music and anything else you want to add, Shahzeb? Okay. Let's have a seat. Thank you so much.
Okay. So, a couple of people were talking outside before this event. One of the guys said, "Do you know what's going to happen to this event?" The other guy was like, "Shahzeb is coming, so it's going to be a fight, of course." So other guy was like, "You sure it's going to be a fight? Because it's just performances happening here." He said, yeah, I mean, these fighters can fight anywhere. And be careful, because this fighter can finish you in 20 seconds. That's his thing. So please, round of applause for Shahzeb. I mean, Shahzeb bhai, Maggie bhi 20 seconds mein nahi banta. So it's really, really good. So for the first performances, I would like Shama to just explain and tell people to come on the stage.
So first of all, I would really like to thank the Ismaili Muslim community for volunteering and performing in tonight's cultural performances. Big round of applause. They have worked very hard for you here today, and we hope that you enjoy each and every performance. We're going to go ahead and start off with our first performance, which is from Sindh, Pakistan.
जहाँ पानी कम था.
जिते पानी हो ही कौन.
Hey. Thank you so much. It was a great performance. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Next time, I want to sit there and she could come and say, Shahzeb, thank you so much. Please, come next time too. So Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So I asked the guy, what's the really big deal about Khyber Pakhtunkhwas? So their food and stuff. So they were like, when we eat like food with family or friends, if we offer one dish, they're not gonna eat. They need the bunch of dishes. So one of the dish named Charsi Kadai. Charsi Kadai. Can someone say in English what you call it Charsi Kadai in English? So Charsi, you know what we call it Charsi in Pakistan, right? It's a really it's not the good word. So Charsi means whoever.
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕਿਆ ਬਿਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਲ ਰਜਦਾ ਮਹੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੂਚ ਨਾ ਕਰੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕਿਆ ਬਿਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਲ ਰਜਦਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕਿਆ ਬਿਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਲ ਰਜਦਾ ਮਹੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੂਚ ਨਾ ਕਰੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀਨੇ ਤੀਰ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਵੱਜਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀਨੇ ਤੀਰ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਵੱਜਦਾ ਮਹੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੂਚ ਨਾ ਕਰੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕਿਆ ਬਿਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਲ ਰਜਦਾ ਮਹੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੂਚ ਨਾ ਕਰੀ
Mixing in the house.
Says on that, because on the chat people were fighting Indian to Pakistan, Pakistan to India, but literally what he said on that we're just doing this fight just for a fight, but this is for peace. I mean, that's a big statement from you. This is thank you so much. It made peace to us emotional, and obviously all the other people. Thank you so much for that. So now I don't want to waste my time. Wait, Shama, you're not coming? Oh, so. Okay, so the next performance is actually by one of my MC, co-MC. She's performing that, and that's going to be our last culture night performance. And then we, of course, we have Qawwali and Charsi Kadai. Of course, I don't know if they have a Charsi Kadai, but yes, yeah. So this is last culture performance. So please enjoy this, because now we have Shama, one of my co-MC, and then we have Ahmed too, and then we have Maria on this performance. But before this performance, I want to see, can you play as a Balochi? Guys, notice something here. Kuch aap note kar rahe honge, I'm sure. There's our celebrity Shazim is here. He's also from Balochistan, guys. So this is the last performance. And it's a really rich culture, of course. So please welcome the next performance, Shama, Maria, and Ahmed. is Ahmed. Obviously, you are here from. So Ahmed is also from Balochistan. So Ahmed, thank you so much. And he's a vice president. So I mean, yes, I have to ask you something. So it's a poetry again, and you have to just translate it in Balochi. Then, I mean. Can you? It's just a small poetry. Come on, guys! Shazam is here on the stage with us. I mean, I can't tell you to just dance with us with that performance. Yeah, it's actually a combat. Shazam and Shazam. I mean, no, sorry, no. I've seen your fight. 20 seconds. No, I'm not doing this. My wife is waiting for me. So I have a poetry in Urdu. आपको definitely, माशाल्लाह, उर्दू में मैंने देखा अपने काफी इसको just translate करना है. So खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि चढ़ा जैसे तैसे. खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि चढ़ा जैसे तैसे. बंदा खुदा खुद बंदे से पूछे, अबे चढ़ गया उतरेगा कैसे?
So I will translate it in Brahui language. It's like Balochi and Brahui, similar languages. So I will try to translate it. So Tene kar anna khas ballun. Tene kar anna khas ballun. आगे क्या ना लाइन?
Because I don't know the language. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि चढ़ा जैसे तैसे. खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, अबे उतरेगा कैसे?
तो Tene kar ballun andun. Tene kar ballun andun. कि अल्लाह ने न रफे कि वापस हम लड़ेंगे सर.
The sentence I said is like it has some harshness, but when you say it's like a प्यार से. Thank you so much, Azad. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone, for this performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for all of our cultural performers tonight. Did you guys enjoy? All right, stay tuned. We have more planned for you tonight, but before that, let's see.
So, before we ask about food, I want to call Pooja on stage and Vit Sharma. Please, guys, give it up for Pooja. You guys all know her. So, something I want to share for both because they are really good performers, MCs. So, Pooja, obviously, I mean, she told me she's a healthcare professional, right? And Vit Sharma, I was like, I can tell that. And also she said, when I asked her, can you tell me something about you? She was like, do bacche hai mere. I have 2 kids. She was like, so, I mean, but you performed really well. I mean, thank you so much. And in all the events, and of course, Sharma, you too. I also want to share something because we have a Qawwali night after this. So, and it's a message. It's a message for everyone because I love Qawwali, especially with Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Saab. So Qawwali kabhi bhi, whenever you're driving, don't listen to Qawwali. And literally, this is a warning. I'm telling you. One time, I was driving by the Sugarland Street, and before the signal, I was listening to Qawwali. सांसों की माला पे सिमरू मैं पी का नाम. So obviously when you are a fan of Qawwali, you like really get into Qawwali, right? सांसों की माला पे, and the glasses are like all glasses are closed and you're driving and there's a signal. One of the ladies stopped on the side and she was like, hello sir, are you okay? I mean, I want to tell her this is Qawwali, right? And obviously when there is another Qawwali of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Saab is, I forgot the title of the Qawwali, but when Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Saab say, तुम्हें दिल लगी भूल जानी पड़ेगी. I don't know how Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan did that, but literally when you're driving and is when this comes, dil lagi bhul jani padegi. Somehow you missed 2 exits and you went to the hospital. So don't listen to that Qawwali. But this Qawwali today is going to be so special. So please stay tuned for that. But now obviously Shama and Pooja will take it from.
So we have a special announcement, everyone. Can everyone pull up the little brochure that you have on the table for the Houston Pakistani American Lions Club? Does everybody have one? Yes? Okay, so if you open it up, we have a membership application. If you were inspired today to serve, and if you would like to join our chapter, please be sure to fill that out and reach out to one of our officers. The other thing that we would like to announce is in the middle, we do have some QR codes. If you would like to donate to this good cause, please pull out your phones and we would be very happy if you could donate and help us. Thank you so much for you all for coming today, and dinner will be served in just a few minutes. Pooja, would you like to add a few words?
Absolutely, I would. Thank you so much, Shama. You did a splendid job emceeing, and Shazib, amazing. When you told me you had jokes, I was like, jokes. But no, you had me on my toes, and your jokes are truly, truly incredible and funny. Okay, fun के नाम से याद आया कि कुछ sponsors को मैं यूं ही बातों बातों में भूल गई. तो ये funny बात तो थी नहीं. तो अब सीरियस नोट पर जरा स्पॉन्सर्स को दोबारा एक्नॉलेज करते हैं. जमील सिद्दीकी, पाकिस्तान क्रॉनिकल. शमीम सैयद, पाकिस्तान न्यूज. कमाल जावेद, अहमद कमाल, बसीत कमाल, सईद शेख, माइक खान, रेडियो दबांग, नबील शेख, कमाल हॉस्पिटैलिटी ग्रुप, कामरान जिलानी, बोल टीवी. And I'm once again gonna thank the sponsors that I thanked earlier, just in case कोई छूट गया तो. Hiba Entertainment, Nasir Siddiqui. Aziz Nurani, Las Bela, Riceland Healthcare, Atif Express, Aga Juice, Apple a Day, Juicers, Mr. Sticker, USA Top Truckers, Javed Foundation, King Fuse, Tempura Foods, Kamal, Hospitality, Next Level Print Banner, Jewelry Hub, Minas Collection, and some more of media, Zishan with American Urdu TV, Mahmood with Urdu World, Yas Studios, 92 News, Sofia Chima, Madhya Masood, Tanveer, Kamran Jilani, Mike Khan, American Urdu TV, and Bespoke Creations. इसके अलावा अगर मैं कुछ भूली हूँ तो you know where to find me. सबसे झगमगता ड्रेस मेरा ही है, तो आके ढूंढ लो मुझे. Okay, I really don't mean to forget any of you, but if I did, my sister. I promise I'll take care of it. Dinner will be served in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Oh, it's working. Awesome. Dinner is now being served. 2 minutes बड़े जल्दी बीत गए. आ जाओ. Dinner is now being served. Once we are done with dinner, we will start with our Qawwali night. Number one, I would like to acknowledge the American Shield for all the security provided today. American Shield officers, thank you so much. We truly appreciate your service. Thank you so much. We would also like to acknowledge Sage Productions for all the sound production tonight. Thank you, Sage. We would like to acknowledge Yasmin Qureshi. Thank you so much for being a generous sponsor. Thank you. We would like to acknowledge and call upon stage State Representative Dr. Suleiman Lalani and Zakia Lalani ji. Please come and grace us on the stage. Thank you so much.
Good evening, Lions. I'm so glad that I'm not competing between food and me. So we already have your nice food. Grace me with 2 minutes of your attention before we get into the music party. First of all, let me start by congratulating and thanking the leadership, the staff, and all the Lions and all the Leos. Not only for having crossed 1.4 million membership, or having 40,000 plus clubs, or being in 200 countries. But I want to congratulate and thank you because you are providing the hope. You are providing the hope to that person who is in despair. That no matter how the situation is, there is somebody who's standing with their arm extended, willing to give your arm, and inshallah, this shall too pass, and the good days are ahead of us. You know, to improve the quality of life of people, we require programs, initiatives, services, and whatnot. And we cannot just rely on government to do that. And that's where the civil society comes into play. That's where the institutions like Lions Club come into play, to improve the quality of life of people and elevate the community. So I'm very grateful for the good things that you're doing. And this charter night today is a reminder for all the Lions. And I believe your motto is, we serve. So all the Lions in the house, if I say Lions, would you repeat after me? We serve? Lions. We serve. Lions. We serve. So this is a reminder, this is not just a charter night, but this is a reminder that service is 365 days, that we need to get out and stretch our hand. And finally, on behalf of myself, State of Texas, and my colleagues at the House of Representatives, it's my honor and privilege to recognize the Houston chapter of Pakistani American Lions Club. Would all the leadership of Lions Club please come to the stage?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for being here. We have been working really hard. We have like literally, sweat, tears and blood in this putting together. I really want to start by thanking my family, first of all, for tolerating me and making all of this happen and make it a successful event. My team HPLC, Houston Pakistani American Lions Club. All the Lions, thank you so much. My team is everything for me. I'm nothing without my team. So I thank all of them. So big shout out. And this is just the beginning. We're gonna make it to NRG inshallah. So this is just wait and watch. Houston Lions Club, we're not stopping anymore. So it's gonna be big inshallah. A huge thank you for all of the state representatives, all the honorary guests right here. We thank all of them, all of our sponsors, huge sponsors. Thank you so much, everyone. Please forgive me if I forget to take somebody's name. Ahmed, Kamal Hospitality Group, a huge thank you to you. Thank you so much for everything. Ahmed Kamal, Basit Kamal, and Kamal Javed. I really thank you for everything. Ahmed, I know if I have to go like last minute, he's the person, he can make anything happen. So thank you so much for that. And inshallah we are gonna, do more business in future, and it's gonna be a huge collab. So looking forward to that. I wanna thank all of my MCs. Pooja Agarwal. I don't know what to say about her. You're the dost definitely, but if she's somebody who has seen me grow out of my cocoon, that's her. She has seen my worst and she has seen my best. And inshallah the best is yet to come. So Pooja is one of the best. This is nothing. She has, been in this industry for 12, 13 years, mashallah. I've done more than 12,000 crowds. So if anybody is looking for that, she's the best MC in town. Even though what's your field?
I'm a physical therapist by profession.
She does this for fun, but she's awesome at it, whatever she does. I want to thank Shama, Shaukat Ali, and Shazeb Khoja. Please come on stage. Shazeb. The other one. Shazeb Khoja, please come on stage. I want everyone to please give them a huge round of applause. This is my backbone right here. This is my backbone. My team is everything for me. And I know we are waiting for the legends to perform, so I'm not going to take much of time. Shazeb, Laura, love you guys. You know that. So much more to come, inshallah. Okay? And thank you so much, Shazeb. Best of luck. Championship chahiye. No two things. Thank you.
एक ऐसा शहर है कि जहाँ पर पहले दिल रहते हैं और बहुत अच्छी ऑडियंस है उसकी। मैं इब्तिदा में एक नातिया कलाम पेश करूँगा और उसके बाद दीगर जो आपको फरमाइश है। खालिद ने अपने नूर का जलवा दिखा दिया, सब नूर को मिला के मोहम्मद बना लिया। मैं ये समझूंगा, मैं ये समझूंगा, मुझे दौलत कौन मिली। मैं ये समझूंगा दौलत कौन मिली, जिंदगी दर अहमद पे बसर हो जाए। मेरी फरियाद में इतना तो असर हो जाए, मेरा दिल जो तड़पे तो मोहम्मद को खबर हो जाए। तुम्हारे ही नूर से तो आता, तुम्हारे ही नूर से तो आता, जहां में ये रोशनी हुई है। तुम्हारे ही नूर से तो आता, जहां में ये रोशनी हुई है। तुम्हारे नूर से तो आता, जहां में ये रोशनी हुई है। तुम्हारे ही नूर से काली करने वाले, तुम्हारे ही नूर से काली करने वाले, तुम्हारे ही नूर से काली करने वाले, तुम्हारे ही नूर से वो आता, जहां में ये रोशनी हुई है। तुम्हारे ही नूर से वो आता, जहां में ये रोशनी हुई है। तुम्हारे ही नूर से
सब तुम्हारा करम है आका, ये सब तुम्हारा करम है आका, ये बात अब तक बनी हुई मैं क्यों ना तुझ पे दरूद भेजूं, कि मेरी बिगड़ी बनी हुई मोहम्मद सबसे है दिल में, हमारा दिल मदीना है, मेरा है दिल मुकद्दर का लिखा तो सबको देता है खुदा, लेकिन जो किस्मत में ना लिखा हो वो मिलता है मदीने। जमाए मुस्तफा का नूर है उनके मदीने में, समंदर में सफीना है, समंदर है सफीने में, मुकद्दर का लिखा तो सबको देता है खुदा, लेकिन जो किस्मत में न लिखा हो वो मिलता है मदीने में। मलायक जिन्नो इंसान का आखिर पूछना क्या है, हवाएं भी अदब के साथ चलती हैं मदीने में। मोहम्मद इस तरह से जलवा फरमा है मदीने में कि जैसे सूरह यासीन है कुरान के सीने में। मेरा है दिल मदीना साउंड सीधा है भाई आपको। खाना खाया आप लोगों ने? अब उसको हटा करना है। तो भर दो झोली मेरी मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। भर दो झोली मेरी या कुछ नवाज़ों का सदका अता हो, दर पे आया हूँ बनकर सवाली। कोई भी या नबी सब सुनते हो अपने हो या गैर हो तुम गरीबों के गमखार हो या नबी कुछ नवाज़ों का जिंदगी बख्शी बंदगी को आप रूठी ने हक की बचाई जो मोहम्मद का प्यारा नवासा जो मोहम्मद का प्यारा नवासा जिसने सजदे में गल का डाली अब से भाई रोशन करी गई मरहबा दोनों आलम की माली उसकी किस्मत का चमका सितारा उसकी किस्मत का चमका सितारा जिस पे नजर तुमने डाली काश पूर्णम प्यारे नबी पे जीते जी हो बुलावा किसी और काश पूर्णम प्यारे नबी पे जीते जी हो बुलावा किसी हाल दिल मुस्तफा को सुनाए हाल दिल मुस्तफा को सुनाए हम कर उनके रोज़े की जानी हर वो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मदी हर वो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मदी लौट कर मैं ना जाऊंगा खाली हर वो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मदी लौट कर मैं ना जाऊंगा खाली कुछ नवाज़ों का सदका अता हो कुछ नवाज़ों का सदका अता हो दर पे आया हूँ बन कर सवाली कुछ नवाज़ों का सदका अता हो आया हूँ बन कर सवाली मैंने दो नातिया कलाम पढ़े अब मैं चाहूँगा
चाहिए मुझे वो शादी को लेने का
सुनाया जाए अच्छा जी आप लोग बोर तो नहीं हो रहे अच्छा जी जब आप हो मुझे बता दीजिए और उसके बाद सामईन हमारे इस शो को जो मैनेजमेंट किया है वो वन एंड ओनली वन नासिर सिद्दीकी साहब जो डैलस से तशरीफ लाए हैं नासिर भाई और शहर खुशी साहिबा जो CEO है जिन्होंने आज के लिए मोइन खान साहब बैठे हैं यहाँ पर
नेशनल प्रमोटर हैं जनाब अजीम अहमद साहब, उनके लिए भी तालियां बजा दें। फयाज खान रामपुरी साहब बैठे हैं, जब भी आता हूँ मेरे शो में जरूर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन करते हैं। फयाज खान रामपुरी साहब के लिए भी तालियां मेरे खान में। अच्छा अभी जा रहे हैं आप? बैठे हैं एमजे खान साहब, सर थैंक यू। इस कवाली के बाद आप चले जाइएगा और मुझे भी मेरे साथ डॉक्टर याकूब साहब, जितने भी हमारे
मारिया थोड़ी बीच में जगह बनानी है, उनको आपके पैसे देखने आप साइड में हो जाए।
आपकी फरमाइश है मैं शराबी।
मारिया 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 जगह बना दो बीच में, अपने लोग पैसे उड़ाएंगे तो तुम लोग ऊपर चढ़ जाओगे। गाइस काशिफ जी को बोला था
यार बात सुनो, ये वाली गाड़ी गलत पार्क नहीं है,
आमिर भाई ये ना ये लोग अभी पैसे उड़ाएंगे तो बीच में आ